seat is prestigious because every seat will determine the power of voters and for the people only. So that way you cannot say that Tura is only the prestigious seat. Every voter is a prestigious voter, and then every voter will definitely decide what not to, what not to. And then when you talk about the power and liquors, I don't give liquors during my election also, and I don't give, and I will not give tomorrow also. If somebody wants to drink, go for somebody. I cannot offer drinks to anybody. I may be poor, I may not be poor, but I will never entertain liquors by me and by my team. And then moreover, money, I don't have money. So those who want money, let them go to other party. I don't have money. I just have a prayer, and I can offer a prayer for them. My whole objective is to protect my people, protect Garo Hills, protect Meghalaya, and then protect our religion. That's all.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center